Today I will show you how to capture the network traffic of the smartphone using the PiRogue. So my PiRogue is connected to my local network using the Ethernet cable, and its IP address on my local network is this one. And the Rogue Wi-Fi is PiRogue, and the IP address of the PiRogue device on this network is 10.0.0.1. So first of all, we will connect to the PiRogue using SSH. And now we will configure the firewall in order to redirect the HTTP and HTTPS traffic of the smartphone to MITM proxy. To do so, you have a small script in user share PiRogue proxy transparent. And now the HTTP and HTTPS traffic of the smartphone or any device connected to the Rogue Wi-Fi will be redirected to MITM proxy. So now we will start MITM proxy. I am notified that the PiRogue is capturing traffic. Now I will connect the smartphone to the PiRogue Wi-Fi. Okay. And then I will install the custom MITM proxy certificate just by browsing mitm.it and just tap on Android. Enter a certificate name like MITM. Okay. Now it's installed. And okay, we will go to google.com and we see the HTTPS traffic. For example, here we have an HTTPS post request, and we will see here the entire query. So everything is sent to google.fr, and in the query we have some information. Now I can run an application and just check what happened when I started. So for example, here we have a lot of requests, and here we have the response and the details.